Hi, Dan O'Malley from Embedded World 2025. We're doing a demonstration of a hotel use case. So let's say you're a hotel guest and you have a kiosk or you have a phone system. You tie into it and you say, what time is checkout? And that audio goes into our GenAI engine. As you can hear that, checkout is at 11 a.m. So how do you monetize the GenAI at the edge? Well, you can do that through charging extra for late checkout. Can I get a late checkout? Now the audio goes into the GenAI engine. You can tie into the billing system and say,
a late checkout at 1 p.m. will cost an additional 40 euros.
That's how you monetize GenAI at the edge.